Hello everyone, my name is Ryland. I will be doing the Enters Purdue Instagram takeover today. So just a few things about me. I am a senior in NRES. I'm from Carmel, Indiana. My concentration is watershed management. Some of the activities I do here on campus are I am an NRES ambassador, an ag ambassador. I'm a research assistant for two undergraduate labs here at Purdue. And a favorite activity I like to do on my free time is help manage my YouTube channel called Gen Z Earther. So those are a few things about me.